Sir Amaya, I need your help. I need to know about total quality management.
Sure thing, I'll help you in one condition.
Anything, Sir Amaya. What do you want me to do?
You have to buy me ice cream after I teach you about total quality management.
Okay, as you wish.
Yes, so TQM is a management concept coined by W. Edwards Deming. The basis of TQM is to reduce the errors produced during the manufacturing or service process, increase customer satisfaction, streamline supply chain management, aim for modernization of equipment, and ensure workers have the highest level of training. One of the principal aims of TQM is to limit errors to 1 per 1 million units produced. Total quality management is often associated with the development, deployment, and maintenance of organizational systems that are required for various business processes.
Wow, it sounds complicated. Is it really needed to have this kind of management in a company?
Of course, Chrissy, this could help the company reduce its cost and maximize its profit. Can you imagine a company that keeps on running the business, though they're losing money?
I understand what you mean, Sir Amaya. So can you tell me more about total quality management?
Well, sure thing, Chrissy. A core concept in implementing TQM is Deming's 14 points, a set of management practices to help companies increase their quality and productivity, create constancy of purpose for improving products and services. Adopt the new philosophy. Cease dependence on inspection to achieve quality. End the practice of awarding business on price alone. Instead, minimize total cost by working with a single supplier. Improve constantly and forever every process for planning, production and service. Institute training on the job. Adopt and institute leadership. Drive out fear. Break down barriers between staff areas. Eliminate slogans, exhortations, and targets for the workforce. Eliminate numerical quotas for the workforce and numerical goals for management. Remove barriers that rob people of pride of workmanship, and eliminate the annual rating or merit system. Institute a vigorous program of education and self-improvement for everyone. Put everybody in the company to work accomplishing the transformation.
You're such a genius, Sir Amaya. You blow up my mind. I think there's blood dripping down my nose.
Chrissy, you're having a nosebleed. Are you all right?
I'm all right, Sir Amaya. A bottle of P1 Cabello will heal this.
Wow, so do you still want to know more about TQM? There are still a lot of things I want to teach you about.
Of course, Sir Amaya. Please proceed with the lecture.
So as you can see, Chrissy, effective management involves the use of planning, staffing, controlling, organizing, and leading. Planning is the use of strategic plans, standing plans, and single-use plans. Effective planning requires you to determine work requirements, set priorities, and use the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats, SWOT, analysis. Staffing is a means by which you match the correct person to the job for optimum performance. You should continually evaluate your personnel needs and make sure documentation is updated when subordinates complete personnel qualifications standards. You use control to monitor your division or work center. Types of control include feed-forward, concurrent, and feedback. Control also includes inventory control and quality control. Types of quality control include feed-forward, concurrent, feedback, statistical, quality circle, and zero defects. Methods of control include the plan of action and milestones, Gantt chart, program evaluation and review technique, PERT, and critical path method, CPM. Elements of effective control are activities, timeliness, effectiveness, accuracy, and acceptance.
I see. So there are relative elements to have an effective plan in achieving a company's goal. Well, those things ain't so easy. I guess they sure need relative determination and cooperation to make it work, sir.
You got that right, Chrissy. They do have a lot of work to do to achieve it.
Sir, I have a question. What is the most essential ingredient in TQM success?
That's a good question you got there, Chrissy. Well, the essential ingredient of TQM success is leadership involvement. Management controls the process that accomplishes the mission. Quality, however, is in the hands of the workers who do the job. Management, therefore, has the responsibility to drive out the natural fear of change and innovation that is part of most people's basic psychology. TQM must be supported from the top down. That doesn't mean the department head level. TQM must start with SecNav/CNO level support and be supported and carried out all the way to the bottom of the chain of command. From Admiral to Deck Seaman, TQM requires a total effort.
I see, Sir Amaya. I have one last question about TQM. What are the main advantages of TQM?
Well, it encourages a strategic approach to management at the operational level through involving multiple departments in cross-functional improvements and systemic innovation processes. Provides high return on investment through improving efficiency. Works equally well for service and manufacturing sectors. Allows organizations to take advantage of developments that enable managing operations as cross-functional processes. Fits an orientation toward inter-organizational collaboration and strategic alliances through establishing a culture of collaboration among different departments within organization.
Sir, thank you so much for all the information. I've learned a lot of things from you.
What can I say? It's my job to help you kids learn and grow. It's been a pleasure teaching you about TQM, Chrissy.
Thank you, sir. Well, I guess it's time to go now.
I don't think so. You still owe me an ice cream, right?
Yeah, I almost forgot. Let's go, Poppery Amaya. One ice cream with gravy coming up.